Welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 not connecting to a Wi-Fi network. So there could be multiple reasons why your phone is refusing to connect to a Wi-Fi network, and I'll be showing you how to fix that issue. So one of the ways you can fix this issue is by restarting your Wi-Fi router. So what you want to do is start by disconnecting or turning off Wi-Fi. And once Wi-Fi has been turned off, you want to go to your router, you want to switch it off, wait for a few seconds, maybe like 30 seconds to a minute, and then you want to switch on your router again. So once it's come on, you want to switch on your Wi-Fi again and wait for your phone to connect to that Wi-Fi network. If your phone agrees to the connection and it's able to load any web pages that you search, then you've successfully fixed the issue. But if you're still having problems with the Wi-Fi network, you still have more ways you can solve this. So another way you can solve this is by forgetting and reconnecting to that same Wi-Fi network. So to do that, you want to go to settings, and in settings, you want to scroll and select the option connections. Under connections, tap on Wi-Fi, and next to your current network, you want to tap on the settings icon. So from here, you want to disconnect from the network, and then you want to forget the network again. So tap on forget, and then you've been automatically disconnected from that network. So by doing this, you're going to be tracking whether the password for that specific Wi-Fi network has been changed. So again, tap on that network, and then enter in the current password that you know of, and then tap on connect. If it agrees to the connection, then it wasn't an issue of a password change. But if it doesn't, then you need to get the new password so that you can try reconnecting to the network. Again, if this doesn't solve your issues, there's still more things you can try. One of this is by restarting your phone. So you want to switch off your Wi-Fi, and then you want to restart your device. So wait for your phone to restart. It will get rid of any small issues that you could have had connecting to the network. So just wait patiently. And then once your phone has restarted, you want to now switch on Wi-Fi again and wait for it to connect to that specific network. Again, try searching something on your phone. If it agrees and it searches successfully, then you fixed your issue. But if you're still having problems, then there's one more thing you can try on your phone. So open settings, and in settings, you want to scroll and select general management. Under general management, tap on reset. Then from here, you want to scroll and select reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. So by tapping on this, you're going to be resetting all your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. So if you have any Wi-Fi networks that you automatically reconnect to, they'll be forgotten. If you have any Bluetooth devices that you automatically connect to, or you have any devices and networks that are saved to your phone, then they'll be forgotten and you'll have to reconnect to those specific networks and devices. So tap on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, then confirm the reset. You'll notice a tag labeled Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings reset, which means you were successful. Now, when you go try connecting to that specific Wi-Fi network, you should no longer have any issues when it comes to browsing with it. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.